Alright guys, I've just received from the post the second T221. This one is from Canada and I hope this one arrived in one piece. The previous one is here and it's waiting for repairs. I will try to restore it. If I don't manage, I will give the power supply to the seller of the second T221 so he can have a full kit, and I may donate the backlight, or I don't know, try to restore it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It smells like a bar though. The person really kept in a full of smoke environment. The stand didn't really survive the journey, but I hope the screen powers on and works. And I also may take the upgrade parts for 55 Hz and retrofit into the other screen I have. I don't know. Let's see. It seems to be better packed. Let's see. It survived the journey. So there's a better packing job. Eggshells around. Proper bubble wrap. All sides covered. So there is here. There is some down here and here. So let's take it out. VGA cable, dual link, 2 of them. The screen doesn't stand on itself. It is here and it survived the trip. The ViewSonic I have is in better conditions than this one. And I think the one that got destroyed during transport would have been in better condition as well, but looks pretty good. I really think I need to turn it on, and I should be there. This one doesn't have the back IBM cover, so I'll take the back cover from the destroyed one and make this one, whole. So here you can see the adapter that allows it to operate at 55 Hz and without the external IBM box. You can see it's connected to the original ports in the monitor. There's some circuitry here and the 2 ports. The person who did this mod doesn't do it anymore, but I will try to get in touch with him to get some, technical information out of it. Besides, the monitor looks great. It's missing the cover for 3 of the 4 screws. Only that one is present. I will probably take it from the broken one, although I might have thrown a few ones away when I was angry together with the box. I have nowhere else to put it, so floor it is. The cable is just long enough to reach the back of the G5. Well, the curious thing here is that this one comes with a Dell power supply. So probably the original one was destroyed or lost or missing in action. And well, apparently the owner modified this one to operate with the monitor. See here, 16 volts. And the power plug at the end is, fits the monitor, of course. So let's try. The power supply is connected and let's try to turn it on. And the light is on. So let's turn on the G5. Wait for it. Usually takes long. So far I am not scared. Oh yeah, hello! It's distorted, and I think I need to... Ah! Okay, the screen is processing 4 bands, so we have 2 bands up, and I guess a quick visit to system preferences will solve this. Looks good. Dock is there, icons are there. Let me go for keyboard and mouse. So let's give it a shot. I cannot see anything I'm doing. It's microscopic. Let's try to navigate by heart. So here's system preferences. This is impossible to read displays. So let's change the arrangement. So this screen is on the other side. The menu bar should be here. Oh, the image is squeezed. So maybe I have to go to the menu here and adjust. So let's see. I open the menu and I go to okay, so if I go to information, here I see 1920 by 2400, and I cannot change the mode for some reason. Let me see. Let's try to reduce the resolution. One. This doesn't look good. The frequency is good. And for some reason it's not adjusting the aspect ratio correctly. It should. I don't know why it doesn't let me change the parameters here. I can only exit. But the screen works. I'll get in touch with the seller to try to understand what's the deal with the arrangement. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak later.